race session is at Cadwell Park in Lincolnshire, Great Britain. The wind speed is 95 km/h from the north. Ice Cream Boy 92 is P2. Race start. Smirky 75 Xbox is P8. Smirky 75 Xbox lost P8 to Boba 1701. Bobardo is P3. Vodcap Holster is 8. Vodcap Holster passed ST4 and BZH for P7. Bobardo in Park Straight is P3. Bobardo lost third to Tisanoski. Tisanoski in Park is P3. Tisanoski passed Ice Cream Boy 92 for P2. Ice Cream Boy 92 in Chris Curve is third. Bobardo in Gooseneck is P4. Bot Surf Gaming 08 is P10. Bot Deluxe Combo in Mansfield is 12. Mechanical CM is P5. Smirky 75 Xbox is P14. Gaming 08 in Hallfens is P10, 0.4 behind Boba 1701. ST4 NBZH in Barn is P8, 0.5 behind Floydy 1977. Vodcap Holster is P6, 0.3 behind Mechanical CM. Boba 1701 is 10, 0.1 behind Bot Surf Gaming 08. Boba 1701 lost 10th to Bot Deluxe Combo. Mechanical CM in Park Straight is P6 battling Vodcap Holster. Vodcap Holster in Park Straight is P5, 0.1 behind Ice Cream Boy 92. Vodcap Holster passed Ice Cream Boy 92 for 4th. Ice Cream Boy 92 in Park is 6th. Best lap is a 2:31.964, 6.587 off the fastest lap. Vodny Arlithot F98 is P13, 0.5 behind Boba 1701. ST4 NBZH in Gooseneck is 9th. 0.2 behind Bot Surf Gaming 08. Bot Niarlathot F98 is 13th driving a Aston Martin, 0.4 behind Boba 1701. Bot Deluxe Combo is P10 driving a Fiat, 0.4 behind ST4 NBZH. ST4 NBZH on lap 2 is 10, 0.1 behind Bot Deluxe Combo. ST4 NBZH passed Bot Deluxe Combo for 9th. Bot Addenflash is P17, 0.5 behind Bot Lord Buttrill. Floydy 1977 in Hallfens is P9, 0.5 behind Bot Deluxe Combo. Bot Surf Gaming 08 in Barn is 7th. Bot Deluxe Combo is 8th, 0.2 behind Bot Surf Gaming 08. Bot Deluxe Combo passed Bot Surf Gaming 08 for 7th. Bot Surf Gaming 08 in Coppice is 8th, 0.4 behind Bot Deluxe Combo. Ice Cream Boy 92 in Charlie's is P7, 0.4 ahead of Bot Surf Gaming 08. Bobardo is 3rd, 0.5 behind Tisanoski. Bobardo was 1.1 faster last lap. Voisin 1977 in Park Straight is 10th driving a Mercedes-Benz battling Bot Waffling Godders. Bot Nyarlathot F98 in Park Straight is 13th, 0.2 behind Phobos 1701. Bot Nyarlathot F98 was 2.0 faster last lap. Bot Nyarlathot F98 passed Phobos 1701 for P12. Bot SCO0BZZ is P15. Bot SCO0BZZ passed Smirky 75 Xbox for 14. Bot Waffling Gutters is 9th, 0.3 behind Ice Cream Boy 92. Bot Waffling Gutters was 4.9 faster last lap. The leader has just finished the race. MR300S finished 1st. Tisanoski finished 2nd. Bobardo finished 3rd. Vodcap Holster finished 4th. Mechanical CM finished 5th. Bot Deluxe Combo finished 6th. Bot Surf Gaming 08 finished 7th. Ice Cream Boy 92 finished P8. Bot Waffling Godders finished 9th. Floydy 1977 finished P10. ST4 and BZH. Bot Nyarlathot F98. Phobos 1701. Bot SCO0BZZ. Smirky 75 Xbox. Bot Ad Flash. Bot Lord Buttrill.